Hi there, I thought I'd do a quick little video to show everyone how easy it is to make an omelet using our omelet maker. So it's a silicone omelet maker. It does sell for $18.50, and all you do is you put your eggs with whatever vegetable seasoning you want, and you pop it in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes, and you'll have a perfect omelet. So I'm going to start with 2 eggs. This is a great thing if you want to bring it to work. All you have to do is put your eggs in a little glass container. I would normally use the Cruet from Epicure, but it is currently unavailable. And then I would put my eggs, my little bit of milk, my vegetables and seasoning all in the Cruet. And then while I'm at work, I would just give it a shake up, put it into the omelet maker and throw it in the microwave, and I have a healthy, hot omelet. So this is our Prep Pro Chef knife. It is available. It is $34.50. And it's super sharp, so you have to be very careful here. So I'm just cutting up some of the peppers, the last bit of peppers from my garden from this summer. I'll try not to cut my fingers off here. It's kind of neat. We had these like little purple peppers. Never had those before. We did these little mini red peppers, and then we also did some green peppers. So again, I'm just going to cut this all up. I am using our cutting mats. They do come in a package of 4, so this is the smaller size. So you get 2 small ones and you get 2 big ones. Excuse me, and they are $20.95, I believe. Yeah. So with the silicone omelet maker or any of our silicone cookware, bakeware, it is okay to brush a little bit of oil onto it, but you should never ever use any of the spray oils like the Pam containers or anything like that, because there's something in the spray that actually breaks down the silicone. So I'm just going to throw my peppers in here with my eggs, and today I'm going to season, it's actually my favorite seasoning for omelets. It is CCB, which is a mix of cheese, chive, and bacon. I don't usually measure, so I just pour whatever on there. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Not sure if anybody else does this, but I always add just a touch of milk in with my omelets. A little bit of cheese, so a little bit of shredded cheese here. And I'm just going to mix that up. Give that a little stir. The CCB is $9.50. It also comes in it's part of the Extraordinary Trio, which is the lemon dilly, CCB, and 3 onion. And those 3 dips you could use to make our famous Extraordinary cheese dip. And I believe the trio, together with the recipe card, is, I want to say it's $26.95. All right, so that's it. You just stir it up. Just gonna pour it into my omelet maker here, and I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. So every microwave is different, and I find I always, after the 2.5 minutes, I always check it to make sure underneath is cooked, because I think because I add the milk, it does take a little bit longer. There we go. All right, so that is in. If you are wanting any other information, you could always visit my website. So it's https ://Toby-Ann-Rainville.epicure.com. You could also find me on Facebook. And we have 2 more minutes. So this is our fall winter catalog. And if you did miss it, right now, for the holiday season, Epicure is doing a Tinsel Tuesday every Tuesday. So you could just visit the website. The new collections that they're coming out for Christmas and stocking stuffers, they are selling out super quick. So if you see something you like, make sure you throw it into your cart and check out for direct ship. That way there you know you're guaranteed to get anything that you absolutely have your heart set on. What else could I tell you? I will do another live as well later using our rectangular steamer. I could show you that. It's right here. So again, this baby is amazing. I take it to work with me. I do chicken fajitas at work, so I'll put my raw chicken, peppers, onions. I just sprinkle some of the fajita seasoning on, and again, I just put it in the microwave for, it's under 5 minutes anyways, but it really depends on your chicken, how much chicken, everything you have. So I usually start at 4 minutes, and then I check it, stir it, put it in for another minute if I need to. That's it. All right, we got 34 seconds. So I'm just checking the trio, and yes, the trio is $26.85, and that is the 3 jars. So you get the lemon dilly, cheese, chive, and bacon, the 3 onion, and the recipe card on how to make that extraordinary cheese dip. It's so good. It's a crowd pleaser. All right, that's the microwave. I'll be right back. Ooh. So it's very hot. You just have to be very careful taking it out of the microwave here. There we go. And open it up. Lots of steam when you open it. So again, just be very careful. And I'm going to use the 3-in-1 spatula. I love this spatula. It's actually a must-have in everybody's kitchen. I'm just going to lift it up here. And it is perfect. Here, I will show you. Flip it around here. Easy omelet. Cooked perfect. So I'm gonna go, oh, I just steamed you up. So I'm gonna go and enjoy my omelet for breakfast, and I will see you next time. Bye.